A young ambassador is somebody who volunteers to help out with the community and within their schools.
A young individual who encourages many others to take part in sports and supports them on their journey.
Some of the roles and responsibilities of a young ambassador are to help out with clubs and organisation and stuff within schools and communities.
And when it's PE, we do all of we pull out the equipment with that as well and set up. And we also do a lunchtime club on Mondays, and Wednesdays we do girls football.
I enjoy teaching little people new games and enjoy teaching people how to play with the ball properly.
And that has a benefit in the classroom as well, so they're able to sort of articulate very well what they want to do and how they want to help people.
The roles of a YA is to be trustworthy, inclusive. A YA needs to be
respectful, obviously, polite. You've got to be adaptable to your group, creative.
I like being a YA because I help people learn new skills and I learn new skills myself.
Every couple of days we go to Neath Tower College and we help disabled students and we deliver sessions to them and try to help them get involved in physical activity.
So we get to see what they can do and then they get the opportunity to enjoy sport within college that they may not get the opportunity to do outside.
I feel like it's important for young individuals to have a voice because we are all different, we all have different experiences, and it's important to share these experiences so we can do well in our journeys.
It's really rewarding. You get to see people develop as people and in the sport, like they get to learn new skills and develop little attributes for their everyday life.
I've got a lot of experience which is going to help down the line if I decide to pursue coaching. So it's going to help me a great deal with my career.
I'm enjoying most spreading my skills and my experience and giving that to people that haven't experienced things that I've experienced before.
In my personal experience, I was able to put on a couple of sports sessions for young girls like myself who experience cultural barriers to sports. Many of them girls thought that it was kind of impossible to take part in sports, and I was able to show them that it isn't, that it's possible.
I feel like I've come better as a person, I can coach better, I feel much more confident when around large groups of people.
I feel like I'm a role model to the younger children, as well as someone that they can speak to, look after, like an ambassador.